Hello guys. Hello guys. My name is Noviatul Farha. In this video, I will to present my literature analysis. On this occasion, I will present my analysis of a novel entitled Things We Never Got Over, written by Lucy Score. My presentation will focus on two main aspects, namely extrinsic elements and intrinsic elements. Each element will be explained along the example taken directly from the story to support the analysis. Before I move on to the analysis, I will introduce the novel identity. The title is Things We Never Got Over, written by Lucy Score. Year of publication is 2022. Publisher by Bloom Books. Genre is contemporary romance. Page 502, chapters 45. Now, I move on to the intrinsic elements analysis. The first is them. The theme is healing past trauma, moral responsibility, dysfunctional family, and fear of loss. Page 390 until 410, chapter 38 until 41, when Naomi realized that she has always been the savior of the others, but has never been saved. Characters and characterizations. The first is Naomi Witt, is a main character, page 30 until 45, chapter 3 until 4. An adult woman with a simple appearance, emotionally exhausted, highly responsible, fear of abandonment, and a tendency to suppress anger due to habitual self-sacrifice. The second is Knox Margaret as a main character, page 80 until 110, chapter 7 until 10. A cynical and emotionally closed individual, overly protective behavior, practical support without emotional imitation. The third is Tina Witt as an antagonist character, page 15 until 25 and 360 until 380. A selfish, manipulative, and irresponsible personality, abandonment of her child, and return motivated by financial need. And fourth is Wayley Witt, an emotional reliance and mature 11 years old, strength shaped by turbulent family background. And the settings. The settings is first is place. Knockout is a financial small town in Virginia, United States. It features local cafes and restaurants, the police station, Knox House, Naomi workplace, and the downtown area of Knockout. The town is depicted as a close-knit, gossipy but caring community, serving as the primary setting for the development of conflict and relationship between the characters. Present is an event take place over a period of several months, following Naomi's adaptation process and the development of her relationship with Knox. The setting atmosphere is beginning of the story, tense, chaotic, and full uncertainty. Middle of the story, warm but emotional. End of the story, safe, full of acceptance and hope. Plot. The first is exposition, page 1 until 50, chapter 1 until 5. It happened at the beginning when Naomi ran away from her marriage because Naomi felt unhappy and chose to help her twin sister Tina. Naomi came to Knockout in Virginia, but Naomi was triggered by her own sister by running away and taking all of Naomi's possessions. Finally, Naomi lived in the city abandoned by caring for her niece and meet Knox. a man who helped Naomi. The second is Rising Action, page 51 until 250, chapter 6 until 25. Naomi lived her life in the city with her nephew Wayley, and her relationship with Knox begins to develop, and emotional dependence began to emerge. Knox began to show jealous but denies his feelings. The third is Climax, page 350 until 420, chapter 36 until 44. Tina returns and causes a commotion. The villagers all blame Naomi, and her life begins to become chaotic and reckless. Hearing this, Knox feels guilty and begins to distance himself from Naomi, who feels abandoned again. The fourth is Failing Action and Resolution, page 421 until 560, chapter 45 until epilogue. Knox faces his past and feels guilty for distancing himself and leaving Naomi and Wayley, and Naomi sets emotional boundaries and they eventually form a new family. The point of view of the novel is the novel uses a third-person point of view, allowing the narrators to describe the thought and feeling of multiple characters. This point of view helps readers understand Naomi's emotional struggles as well as Knox's internal conflicts. And the moral value of the novel is past wounds and trauma do not determine one's future. Healing is possible through the courage to trust, love, and accept support from others. Family isn't always defined by blood ties, but by love, responsibility, and caring. After discussing the intrinsic element, I will now move on to the extrinsic element. Extrinsic elements are factors outside the story that influence the creation of the literary work. The first, there are author backgrounds. Lucy Score is an American contemporary romance novelist known for her works that emphasize emotionally characters' development, personal conflict, and interpersonal relationships. Most of her novels are set in small towns, with strong, independent female characters. The influence of this author's background is clearly visible in the novel, Things We Never Got Over. Naomi is portrayed as a mature woman who is independent of others, yet still possesses a complex emotional side. Lucy Score's writing style, which focuses on past trauma and the process of emotional healing, demonstrates the author's passion for exploring psychological issues in depth within the romance genre. And the second is social and cultural backgrounds. This novel reflects the culture of modern American society, especially life in small town. Social life in the town of Knockamout shows the characteristic of a small town society, namely close social relationship, a high sense of concern from others, and community intervention in individual life. This is evident in how the Knockamout residents indirectly influence Naomi's life, both in terms of her work, security, and social relationship. This culture reinforces the conflict and aids the development of the main characters. In the conclusion, Things We Never Got Over, strong intrinsic and extrinsic elements that complement each other through its characters and storyline. The novel teaches valuable lessons about family, responsibility, and healing. So, thank you very much for your attention. I'm Novia Dovara. See you in the next video. Bye bye.